Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. I'm so grateful to be alive today. I'm super thankful for everything that we have in our life today. Blessed here with this amazing vehicle that I purchased for Miss Lady. She hadn't had a vehicle in like 5 years for herself, so beyond much deserved. This is an early Christmas present, and it sounds like she is enjoying it. So amazing. I believe if you always continue to put your heart, your mind, your purpose, and intention in the right places, karma comes back, good things happen, you're blessed, you become fortunate, and if you always continue to give more than you receive, that things in life will work out for you, and you'll get things that you do deserve, right? And the message I have for you today is about risk, right? I believe that those who take the most risk in life tend to seek the most rewards out of life. And I think about entrepreneurs, right? And they have to be comfortable with uncertainty. I think for most of us, right? I mean, generally speaking, people, we don't like the unknown. Uncertainty, is a very scary thing. But, sometimes you've got to be willing to take a chance in order to get the bigger rewards out of life, right? You have to be willing to roll the dice. We always play it safe. If we never leave home base, if we're constantly, scared about pulling the trigger on this thing, pursuing that, trying this avenue, going down that path of starting that business or that hobby or that passion or, that thing you feel you're called to, if we don't at least get going, you'll never know, right? And I think that's why, as entrepreneurs, you see most who tend to see the most reward because they take the most, amount of risk. They're willing to roll the dice. They're willing to push the limits a bit without knowing most times 100% if it's going to work out or not. And that's the reality of it. I don't think any entrepreneur out there, can say with 100% the things that they're trying or doing is going to work out 100%. I believe it just comes with a confidence of believing in yourself that no matter what happens, you're going to figure it out. If you get off course and get off the wrong exit, you're going to get back on and try another route, and so forth and so forth. And so the message here is this: don't be afraid to take risks. If you want to have the bigger rewards out of life, we have to be comfortable with uncertainty. It may not work out the first, second time. It may not work out at all, but it might work out on another path. And so with that, again, without being comfortable with that, you'll never get the bigger rewards out of life. Have a great day.